This video is for all of the techies and hackers and serial entrepreneurs that are interested in the voice space and are curious of how we do voiceover acting straight inside of the browser and have that replace the voice on Amazon Alexa devices. Today is going to be kind of an in-depth look at the code and our pipeline for the whole creation. So if you're interested in building your own platform similar to Voice Dry Cleaner for any industry, now is the time to tune in. To get started, I'm going to show how the platform should work, and then I'll show where the bug is, and then I'm going to go through the debugging and fixing and deploying of the fix. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a cleaner. It's July 6th, so I'm going to call it July 60th cleaner. Literally no meaning behind this. I'm just trying to create something that hasn't been done before. I'm just trying to create something that hasn't been done before. And then we create our cleaner. Once the cleaner is created, we're prompted for voiceover acting. So it's right inside of our browser. You can see the little red dot up in the top right. The tab is using your camera or microphone. So now we just read the script. Welcome to July 60th cleaner. You can say what are your hours, what are your specials, or you can say where are you located. How can I help you? And we can play it back. Welcome to July 60th cleaner. You can say what are your hours, what are your specials, or you can say where are you located. How can I help you? Now that we've recorded, we upload. So that sends it using Firebase storage to Firebase storage. So we'll see and confirm. Hey, pretty kitty. Kitty just hopped up on the desk. So we'll go down to July 60th cleaner, which was just created. And inside the voiceover, we should have a welcome output speech. So this is the initial one, and then this is actually the converted file into Alexa format, because Alexa has a special format that your audio can be in. Alexa audio format. Let's see if a quick Google search will return it to us. Yeah. So here's the supported audio formats on Alexa. It's got to be pretty specific. So if you're curious to learn more, you can check this out. You can just run a quick search Alexa audio format. And this article from Starfish, oh my goodness, says that it's between 16 kilobits to 384 kilobits per second. And then I think there's also something for the bit rate, but you can do more looking if you're interested. So it has saved that initial one, and let's work through all of the scripts just to see what's going on. Thank you for your business. Come back anytime. Thank you for your business. Come back anytime. Uploaded that. Uh-oh, I'm not quite that smart yet. So if you're familiar with Alexa, this is the unhandled message. And there's some built-in intents that all Alexa skills need. So we've included those in the platform to make sure that it's super easy for any dry cleaner in the world to put themselves on Amazon Alexa. You can find us at 123 South Main Street, Columbus, Ohio, 43210. Upload that. And here we have everything. So all of our files are uploaded. We should be able to see them all here. And when we refresh, we can see the where you located, welcome, unhandled, and end. Although it is missing a couple others, that's another bug I'll probably deal with off of the live stream. So once these are recorded, we have another function that runs called Alexa to Sheet. Alexa to Sheet. And as you can see over here in our deploy.py, Alexa to Sheet is a Firebase storage trigger. So each time something is uploaded into this Firebase storage bucket, our function over here gets triggered Alexa to Sheet. It's a background function triggered by cloud storage. Hey kitty, what's wrong? So I got a kitty over here and she's exploring and making some noises. It takes the name of the file, and then what it does is it looks inside of a Google Sheet and tries to match it up with the responses tab, maps it to see if there's an intent name that matches, and if there is, it inserts it inside of the Google Sheet with an audio SRC wrapper. This is called SSML, or Speech Synthesis Markup Language, used on Amazon Alexa to actually play the audio, and then it will console log the URL of the formatted MP3 URL. So let's find that sheet and let's see if anything was saved into the Google Sheet. So I'll come over to here, July 60th cleaner, and then when I scroll down to the Google Sheet URL, we can copy this. I might have to cut out this stream to go take the kitty upstairs if she continues to make noise. We're in the office, babe. You gotta be quiet. So here it is, July 60th cleaner AI, and although we do have all of these, they're all populated with text and not with the URL. So it's like, what the heckers? How come it's not saving? Let's check out our function to debug. Alright, so in here we are looking for the exact name, and we're going into the responses tab. We're inside of the responses tab, and then it gets column values 1 and column values 2. Okay, so column values 1 is A and column values 2 is B. And then we create a map of those. We get all the cells, and then we check if intent name is inside of those. So if the name of the intent, and the name of the intent is just the name of the audio that was uploaded to Firebase without MP3. So inside of here, let's check out welcome. We've got welcome underscore output.mp3. So what it's going to look for in the sheet is it's going to remove MP3, and then it's looking for welcome underscore output. And over here, we can see that we have welcome.speech underscore output, but we don't have welcome underscore output. So why wasn't it being saved? It's not being saved because these two don't match up. So we have two options with this. We can either change the template Google Sheet so that this format matches, or we can change how it's being saved in Firebase storage so that it matches. I think the easiest thing for me to tweak and the easiest thing for me to change is the actual template Google Sheet that we're copying and pasting. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out where we're copying the Google Sheet. I think it's create sheet. I believe there's a function called find create sheet. Boop, 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 boop. Creating sheet, cool. So it will create a sheet based off of this. This is the template. So what I can do is go over here, replace the key for the Google Sheet. And in case I didn't say, Alexa reads directly from this. We leverage Jovo. So shouts out to Jovo. I'm going to give actually a quick plug to Jovo. Jovo.tech. The awesome programming language. It's entirely open source, built by Jan Koenig and Alex Sweatlow, based out of Germany. They created the entire voice layer, which allows us to build one backend for Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Dialogflow, Raspberry Pi, and so much more. It's an amazing, incredibly powerful framework. If you want to learn more, go to jovo.tech. So here's our template, and it looks like right now we're looking for welcome.speech underscore output. Now let's change these to match what we're actually saving inside of Firebase storage. Here we're saving welcome underscore output. So this should say, instead of welcome.speech underscore output, welcome underscore output. And now for the next one, end underscore output. So let's go end underscore output. And then we've got unhandled.global underscore output. Unhandled.global underscore output. Welcome, where are you located? So let's go where are you located is where are you located underscore output. Where are you located? Get rid of the speech. Where are you located underscore output. Alright, so now we have the template Google Sheet saved with these updated phrases. Now we don't have the help in what are your hours and some of these other ones. I don't know why it skipped over those. I'll figure that out after this video. But the goal is, instead of having these texts here, when we upload the voiceover, it should replace it with our audio URL. We don't need to deploy or anything. What's nice about Google Sheets is all of these changes have already been saved. So I can close out of this. And now let's create a new cleaner. We've got this new cleaner button so that you can create infinite dry cleaners entirely for free on Amazon Alexa. So if you're a social media marketer, or if you work with about 10 dry cleaners, if you're someone like America's Best Cleaners or the National Cleaners Association, you can add all your dry cleaners, everybody that's in your organization, on the entirely free model. The free one, which includes business hours, location, and specials. You can spin them up really quickly. So we'll be 60th. Nah, I like starting with July. July, early streaming cleaners. 513-850-5895. That's my phone number, by the way, if you're curious of getting in contact. So we have created the cleaner, which we can see once we start this voiceover recordings. Welcome to July early streaming cleaners. You can say, what are your hours? What are your specials? Or you can say, where are you located? How can I help you? Upload that. Now we should have a July early streaming cleaners. July early streaming cleaners. And in here we have a voiceover file with 1 in its underscore output. So this is the initial, which is unconverted. This is what comes directly from the web browser. And then once this is uploaded, it converts it into this output file. So let's find the Google Sheet link to see if it saved it properly. Let's get the Google Sheet link. Paste it here. I guess we don't need restream anymore. Should say that we're live right now. Unless I forgot the button. It says we're offline. Oh no, we are live. We've been streaming for 11 minutes. And it looks like we're doing good. So we'll go back, we'll keep going through this. Bam, now over here for welcome, we now have this audio URL instead of text. So let's keep going. You can see we only have one audio URL right now. So let's do some magic right here live on screen. So I'm not going to touch this. Let's go over to, and remember we're live streaming, so this is all live in real time. This is end speech. Thank you for your business. Come back anytime. When we stop this and upload, we should now have a Firebase storage with end speech and end underscore output. Let's see if that's true. It is true. And now over here in the Google Sheet, what should we expect? We should expect whatever our end underscore output to be, to have this link to this media file instead of the text. Bam. And if you saw close enough, you saw it quickly change. End underscore output is now a URL of an audio file that is converted to the voiceover that we just recorded in the browser. So let's quickly go through the rest before we call this one done. I'm not quite that smart yet. Boop, boop. We're just going to quickly buzz through the rest of these. Don't want to make this video too long. We're already at 11 minutes. Currently, we're running a special on comforters. You can check us out in all of our specials on our website at voicedrycleaner.com. So I don't know why it keeps, like we didn't put what are your hours, we didn't say where you located, but for some reason it thinks those files exist and none of these are stored. So I got to do some more debugging on the back end, but we should have a lot more links in here, and we do. We've got welcome output, we've got end output has an audio SRC, we have unhandled, and then we didn't get what are your specials. Why didn't we get what are your specials? Refresh. Well, dog, because you didn't change up all of them, you only changed up some of them, and this is a conditional bug. Alright, thanks, sweets. I guess let's keep modifying this. So the bug is that they don't match up. The bug is that the input does not match the output. Oh, not that. That's weird. Baby kitty, I know you're sad or you want some attention, but right now I'm doing the streamings. So let's see what we got in here. End, unhandled, welcome, what are your specials? End, unhandled, welcome, those three, and then what are your specials? But for what are your specials, what are your specials, what do we have saved in here? In here we have what are your specials underscore output, whereas over here in the template we have what are your specials speech. So we want to delete that speech and go straight here. Since we're already here and since I already messed this up once, I'm going to delete all these speeches. Play song, what are your hours? specials located. Okay, we should be good now. I'll do one more cleaner just to show that all 4 of them, well, just to show that the bug is resolved, I guess. And this is also my first time live streaming on LinkedIn, so we'll call July 1st LinkedIn live stream cleaner. 513-850-5895. Create the cleaner. Record the first voiceover. Welcome to my cleaner. You can say what are your hours, what are your specials, or you can say where are you located. How can I help you? Thank you for your business. Come back anytime. We got some stuff flashing across the screen. I'm not quite that smart yet. And now we should have one of the optionals. You can find us at location. You can find us at 125 South Main Street, Columbus, Ohio, 43210. Now for some reason it takes us to the final countdown. Alright, so let's go to LinkedIn live stream. Let's take the sheet URL, paste it up here, and now we have welcome is in audio SRC and is in audio SRC unhandled, as well as where you located. So we've now, let me recheck what the title of this is. What are our titles? It's like going from Amazon Alexa, Google Sheet, and VoiceOver. So we go from VoiceOver recording right here in our web browser. We take that to our Google Sheet inside of these audio SRC tags for SSML. And then these are read directly by Amazon Alexa anytime someone talks to you on Amazon Alexa. So that's it. Super easy. We got the bug. We got one bug fixed, which revealed another bug. So I'm going to go and fix that one now. Do I want to do it on the live stream? Kind of, because when I'm on the live stream, I'm more focused than when I'm by myself. But also not wanting to make videos long, so that way people will tune in. So do we keep fixing or do we go off? I think we go off the clock. Thanks everybody for tuning in. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, either on LinkedIn or YouTube. We check YouTube comments and LinkedIn comments most often, but if you're also watching us on Twitter or Facebook or anywhere else, you can see here's the live stream right now on our YouTube page. Just leave us a comment and we will reply, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Honestly, probably later today we'll be back on live streaming some more. We're back. We're going to be back for the entire month of July. We're going to be working more with musicians, working more with dry cleaners, and working more with Amazon Alexa and other artificial intelligence technologies. Thanks for tuning in. This is Sweets signing off.